So today I'm installing my second SSD M2 on my motherboard. This one is still 1 terabyte. It brings Adobe Creative Cloud 1 month of membership included. I'll try it. Hopefully it'll be nice. It says speed until 3500, 5 years of guarantee. I don't like Premiere Pro. It kind of fails all the time. Shuts down. That's not a good thing. I like to use DaVinci, and that's why I bought this, because DaVinci tends to consume a lot of physical memory to use these proxies. Or anyway, I'm gonna change the perspective and do an installation. Could be an issue because apparently the first connection for the M2s is controlled by the CPU, but the second one is controlled by the PCIe chip that does all the control of all the components around. So this could disable my other two PCIe lanes. I don't think I'm gonna use them, but some motherboards and some chips are not compatible. So see that before you order, or order on Amazon and return if it doesn't work. Quite a nuisance, but at least you try. So what I'm gonna need this, and I'm gonna need my tower. Change the perspective now, and you can see. Now I just need to open this. Access everything. The box itself, some instructions, and we just need to install it. And there. So I need to remove this. A little thing to press, and it's out. So now I got the space free. Interest is there. Now I just need to find the parts that go in there. There's a little edge in there, so this is just for measurement. It goes in there, so I need the screws in here. Now my motherboard brought these screws. I think this is the correct ones. I'll find it very quickly. They don't fit. It does fit perfectly. It's just really hard to do it in there. And the screw, it's in place there. The good thing, you don't need to do by hand like I did, because you see, you can use a screwdriver to put it in. How was the insertion? Well, I cannot leave it like this. My little screw. Safe. It looks like it's working. I just need to put my graphics card, and this is what it looks like with all the components in. Let's test this. Hopefully it will detect it automatically and I don't have to do much. I need to go to disk management after restarting apparently. Management. Initialize disk. And I want to do exactly this. I don't know, XX sounds better. And next. And I got my 1 terabyte. If I go here, new volume 1 terabyte X. I would like to test the speed of this. Comparing the speeds, so for my Sabrent, you can see the images here, very impressive, around 5000. That was what was expected. Writing about 2500. I did a few times, give me like the same kind of results. Now my new one set to 3500. Most of the time did a bit above reading speeds and writing speeds. Quite happy with it. The speed is great. Now just to have a comparison, I got my HDD here. You can see in there, 196. 191. So it means HD Blue does 15 times faster. That's a big difference. If you like it, this was my review of how to install and the results. Things to have attention when you install a second SSD M2 connection. That's all. See you in the next one.